Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing review at CARMEX Natural Condition Oatmeal Mixed Berry Lip Balm 2-pack. Yeah. So it's made by CARMEX. CARMEX Natural Condition Oatmeal Mixed Berry Lip Balm 2-pack. Which is, let me see if I can get here. There we go. 15 ounces or 4.25 grams each. These, which actually these look like pretty big lip balms, but they're like the same standard size, I guess. 15 ounces, or 4.25 grams. But I mean, they don't really look like standard size. So here's a standard size one. These ones look like a jumbo bit old fatty. See what I mean? But this one's 15 ounces. This one's 15 ounces or 4.25 grams. 4.25 grams. And yeah, these definitely look like way bigger containers than a standard one. But yeah. So if you want to read all this and all the ingredients, so come on. There you go. Pause the video and you can read it. And let's see if we can get the ingredients here. Come on. I hit it for a second. Ah, there we go, finally. So yeah, if you want to read all this, pause the video. And you can take your time and read all the actual ingredients. So, what is that? Berries and stuff is in there and stuff. Because I see like blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries. From the picture. Let me see. Oh, I see there's going to be beeswax in there. Real quickly I'm looking at, the ingredients on here. And I'm actually not seeing anything that says about blueberries, raspberries, or blackberries on here. I'm seeing everything else like sunflower seed extract, carnauba wax. They do say oatmeal on here. I'm seeing what else is there. Castor oil. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything in the ingredients that actually says about the blueberries, the raspberries, or the blackberries. So, the berries are not even listed as actual ingredients on here. Yeah, that's kind of weird. The oatmeal is on there in the ingredients, but not the berries, considering that this is supposed to be a mixed berry flavor. Yeah. Kind of weird, but yeah. So let's take one out, tail it. So here's how the package looks. Not a bad little package there. 100% natural. And these you don't even have to break seal because there's no seal on there. So it's just kind of like that. Well, a white one you gotta kind of twist and then break that little seal. Which, on one hand, it's kind of good if they have a seal if you're giving them out, for like, I don't know what you would call it, like conventions type of things, where, you get like those little canvas type of tote bags, and you go from table to table where they're like giving out a pen at one, a pencil at another, a business card at another one, then another table has like candy on the table. They're not, as you call it, conventions. I can't think, at the moment what the name of it, the actual name of them are. But you know what I'm kind of talking about. But they usually have like chapstick, stickers, little stuff like that. But yeah, usually those ones they actually have like a chapstick, It has a little seal on there that you gotta break the seal, but this one, I guess the seal's kind of good, but definitely since I said that open up in your pocket or purse, Well, this one, it's not gonna actually come out if you tap it or knock it against something. This one's like, yeah, really easily. So, anyway, let's take a look at it. Now that smell actually does smell like a mixed berry oatmeal. So, definitely when they're claiming that it is a oatmeal mixed berry scent, they definitely have it right mixed berry oatmeal scent. I mean, it smells good. Like, if this was an actual bowl of oatmeal, I'll be eating it right now. Because that's how good it smells. If they turn this into a vaping flavor for like, a vaping device, I'll be vaping it. Which, how come we don't have like a mixed berry oatmeal one for vaping? I mean, the only one that we have that comes close to it for vaping is, where the heck is it? This one, Sobat Juice Company, Wacky. So yeah, this e-liquid juice, Wacky from the Sobat Juice Company, is the only one that we have that I know of that is like an oatmeal flavor. But this one's like a banana oatmeal. Banana honey oatmeal, which is pretty good. But I mean, if they can make this mixed berry scent in a vaping flavor, that'd be delicious to vape. Which, hey, vape companies, vaping e-liquid juice guns, why not? That's an awesome idea. I mean, we got desserts, we got cereal to vape, we got menthol, we got tobacco, we got fruit flavors. Why not a breakfast lineup? Besides, cereal. How about an oatmeal lineup? That's what we need. We need some oatmeal. What about some ice cream flavors for dessert? We got pies, we got eclairs, we got donuts and stuff. Come on, I'm throwing you a bone here. E-liquid juice companies? Come on, I would definitely vape that if you came out with those flavors of, an oatmeal lineup, a ice cream lineup. Oh yeah, but, they don't want to, and that's actually hurting them, so. Like I said, it smells good. Okay, now there is a difference. When you are applying this one, it is a lot thicker and harder to apply. Like, if you ever had like those little glue sticks in school, where you pull the cap off, you twist them up, and you try rolling against the paper. Sometimes they're white, sometimes the little like glue is actually purple, and then it dries to a clear type of thing. That's kind of what this reminds me of. One of those little glue sticks. The way how you hold it, the way how you twist it, and if you just apply it to your lips, Well, if we take a look at the Burt's Bees one, I mean, this one is a little bit oily, a little bit greasy, but it applies nicely. It's just a lot nicer. So, I mean, there is definitely a difference between these two. I mean, this one, the Burt's Bees, a super way high price. I mean, overpriced for the Burt's Bees one. But the quality of the product, way better. I mean, this one's like the cheap one on the budget, but the cap stays on a lot better, so it's more for like pockets or purses. This was more like a stay at home, because I mean, the cap comes off way too easily. Hard to apply to the lips. Doesn't get a good even coat in. This one gets on there nice and evenly, And it's not like, come on, force it across your lips. This one's just like, Woo! Almost like pushing a little Hot Wheels cart. You know how you have a Hot Wheels cart and you just barely push it and it goes flying across the table? That's this one. You know, like when you buy one of those little dollar store Matchbox cars? They're, you know, the little junky generic cars. That would be this one. Although I will have to say, CARMEX, their scents are dead on, fantastic, makes you hungry. Because, you know, smelling that, I'm always hungry. I want a big bowl of, like, some Miss Berry oatmeal. So, I mean, scents, they got the scents right, but, price, they got the price right. But, and security to keep the product, you know, contained. Now they got to work on the design a little bit better. Maybe if they just actually went with some actual chapstick like cap like this, it would be a lot better. And maybe they need to work on their formula, because this is like really, you know, dry. Like I'm applying it to my finger and it's like barely anything on my finger. Well, you know, like I said, this one, it's like, yeah, my whole entire finger is greasy. Well, not greasy, but you know, the product's actually on my finger. And I just went real quick, real fast, like, psh. Well, not, you know, like the flash like that, but you know, like, psh. And it's on. This one, I push it on there, so it's not like I barely tapped it. It's like actually being pushed on it and then dragged across. So, only good if you don't have any food and you feel about food and you want to smell food on a cheap price. Quality wise, garbage. This one, super high price, it's gonna make you go broke.